Hello friends, it's Saturday and it's Shivratri. I'm going to take you through our day and we are going to visit temple. Hope you like it. Mother-in-law is here. We are planning to visit a temple which is almost 30 miles, so around 40 minutes from here. And I'm going to take you through the temple visit, what I'm going to wear. I'm going to wear a new dress it's been lying in my wardrobe for almost a year now. So let's see how the days go. So I'm going to show you the temple visit. Right now what we are doing is I have to walk him because today Coco will be by himself for 4 hours. So it doesn't happen often, but I think 4 hours during the day is his max. So we will be coming back within or before 4 hours, right? Coco sleeps naps throughout the day. So we fed him and I'm now going to walk him so that he gets his morning exercise. So let me know, what did you do today on Shivratri? Did you visit temple? Did you make some goodies? Okay, I'm back from my walk and I took my shower. So now I'm going to quickly make our breakfast before Kian wakes up. Today I'm making thali peet. It's a very nutritious food and we usually have it for breakfast. It's nothing but uh, few of the grains that's been roasted and then grinded into powder. So it's good for, and it keeps you full for a long time, and then you can mix lots of vegetables into it. So I had some leftover lettuce, so I'm adding some lettuce, then radish, onion and cilantro, and with some other masalas. That's it, right? So that will be a very healthy breakfast, because I don't know, most likely we'll have our lunch outside and it might take some time, right? So I want to ensure that we feel we are full for a longer time, and that's why thali peet. The recipe will be in the description, so please do see. Okay, so I'm using these ready made powder, thali peet powder, which I actually got it from Amazon.in, right? So from India, and my mother-in-law, she got it. Okian is awake, so I have to quickly finish the breakfast. I added ginger garlic paste, turmeric, salt, on top of lettuce, cilantro, radish, and onion. That's it. Oh yes, I'm also adding some uh, coriander and jeera powder, right? So dhana jeera roasted powder and dahi, most important. So yogurt, because they say my mother. This is a Maharashtrian recipe again. They say it makes the thali peet moist, and it tastes really good. That's it. So few ingredients and the thali peet powder, the flour, and I'm going to mix it now. We mix it just like how you do atta, and then you cannot roll it because it's a little liquidy. So you have to just put it on a cling or a plastic paper and just pat it. So you'll get to see that. So do not add water initially. Let the moisture from the vegetable and the yogurt seep into it. I actually added very little water, just to get this level of consistency. Usually, if time permits, you keep the batter outside for at least 20 minutes. So let it rest. I did not have the liberty to rest. I'm just going to pat it now and start making the thali peet. Had to put the other tawa on because we were really getting late. So two thali peets at one time. You can use a bigger pan and then can roast multiple ones. So when you fry them, make these holes. These holes basically helps you to hold the oil. So what I'm going to do in between these holes, I'm just putting a little bit of oil and let it cook, right? So it becomes crispy and also soft from the inside. Yes. Okay, take a bite. Take a bite.
What is everything one of these?
The holes are for the thali pit to be fried properly. Look at my baby babu. My baby babu. Baby babu, you want to eat thali pit? You cannot eat it. It has onions in it, Mono. So we are all set and we are now on the way to the temple. Hey Kian. Kian is wearing a kurta from Kolkata.
एक मिनट What is this? What is this?
गब्बर ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर
Actually, we got to visit this temple for the very first time. It's in Allen, Talis, and it's called Radha Krishna Temple. They have their own restaurant, but it was so crowded because of Shivratri. We just didn't feel comfortable to sit around. So we did do our puja. It's a beautiful temple. Definitely, I'm going to visit again. Really love the vibe. They have a small pond and all the things like usually the temple have. And the best thing, it's quite spacious. Even with this type of rush, I did not feel suffocated like the other visit from India, like my father or my mother-in-law. They really like to visit the Indian places, so we try to take them more to temples and all these things. I think it makes them feel a little bit at home.
सभी लोग लेफ्ट हैंड में चल लेंगे, राइट हैंड से अपने आप को पवित्र करें और एक ही बात बोलूंगा, दो बार नहीं बोलूंगा. आपका पूरा काम मुझे देना है और आगे जो है भगवान के ऊपर फोकस करना है. ठीक है?
Got prasad, Kian? What's that? What did you get?
Orange.
You got orange? I got an orange too. Which one is big?
Yours.
Mine
I
is
am
big.
a baby.
Yours a baby? Come here. Come here. Hello, hello, hello.
चम्मच किसको नहीं है?
Come up.
Yes, our name will come up and they'll say, such a cute boy. What's the name of this cute boy? Is that Kian? Are you Kian?
Kian.
Do you like your dress?
Kian.
Look like a king. Do you like your dress? Yeah, what color is it?
Leo.
Yellow color? Mucho
I
polo.
mean gold.
Golden color. And what color is Aji's dress? Same, like yours.
But this is red and golden. Mine is red and gold.
Yeah. Got to see something very funny. So it says the best things in life are free, like the sukha puri after the pani puri.
Gold.
I don't know. So we did a quick puja, but it was so cold outside, and clearly we did not come that prepared. And obviously it's Shivratri, so there are many people. But this temple we are visiting for the first time is so beautiful and nicely done, and I liked it. So we are done with our puja. Now we are going to Vishnu Ji ki rasoi to try their food for our lunch. माझे YouTube चॅनलवर आले तर चालेल ना?
हो आम्ही पण पॉप्युलर
शर्मा मत चल बड़ा आ गया. So Avi's plate really looked delicious. I'm going to take after Anuja. The food was really tasty and fresh. It felt like homemade food. I really love the bhajiyas, the batata vada, and pure Maharashtrian home cooked yummy delicious meat. So they have this wall of fame, all the celebrities who have met Vishnuji, and it was fun for us to recognize the folks and just name them. They are all Maharashtrian stars, very good actors. Vishnuji is quite famous apparently. Guys, I don't laugh at my Marathi. I'm trying my best. That's the last name. On the way from the temple, we just taking a stop. This is a house that Avi, their company, they are building. Avi works for a construction company in Dallas, and they build houses, commercial and residential. So this site is kind of under Avi's supervision, I can say that. So we wanted to take some pictures as the lumber just reached this morning, and I think they are going to start building the house very soon. It's a nice place in Frisco, which is also in Dallas. Okay guys, after reaching home we were all tired, just had some simple dinner. I'm sharing some cute pictures. Hope you liked this vlog. Please support and don't forget to subscribe, send me comments and let me know if you're liking my video. Bye.